All Nippon Airways Flight 845 to Kagoshima is now boarding.
Hello guys, welcome back to another adventure. This time I've landed down in southern Kyushu, starting off in Kagoshima. After picking up the car at the airport, I hit the road and headed straight over to Aoshima in Miyazaki Prefecture. And honestly, look at this weather. Absolute jackpot. Of course, the drone had to go up immediately, and wow. Those views did not disappoint. Blue ocean, tropical coastline, tiny island shrines. This place almost doesn't feel like mainland Japan. The next day, it was time to head even further south to Cape Toi, famous for its lighthouse, and the wild horses roaming around freely everywhere. Not gonna lie, seeing horses casually wandering beside the road while overlooking the Pacific Ocean was pretty surreal. Definitely one of the coolest spots I've visited in Japan. As I made my way through Miyazaki, I had to stop by and check out the Moai Statues. Japan has this special permission to recreate them at full original size, and they're just incredible. And finally, the trip brought me back to Kagoshima and over to the legendary Sakurajima. After the most powerful eruption in 1914, this Torii gate was completely buried in volcanic ash. Today, it stands as a quiet symbol of resilience, half submerged. This volcano erupts incredibly often, sometimes hundreds of times a year. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to like, subscribe and join me for the next adventure on Bubblefish TV.